So one of the coolest features to use on any Samsung tablet is the split screen. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to do this on the Galaxy Tab A8, and you just have to have some open tabs. Now, when you have these open tabs, you have the little icons on the top of them. What you want to do is tap them, and if it does work in split screen view, it'll have a split screen option. Now, the first one I used here is the Play Store. I'm actually going to throw up YouTube right next to it, and boom, guys, we are into the split screen view. Now, you can make the screen smaller or larger on the right or left, depending on what you want to do. And this also works in both portrait and landscape. Now, I'm going to show you another example here. I'm actually going to do the Play Store one more time. And I'm going to throw up PUBG. Now, check this out. You can actually be playing a game while you have the split screen up. And I was actually in a session just a minute ago, and it's still going. And it looks like I'm getting shot right now, so let me make the screen a little bit bigger so we could get this guy. All right, where are you? Oh, yeah, that's how you do it right there. Okay, I'm going to make it just one screen now. And yeah, so this is not going to work with everything, so be aware of that. Just have some open tabs for, some different apps or basically anything, and you can see if it'll work. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to be putting out some more content on the Galaxy Tab 8 in the next few videos. Thanks for watching it. We'll see y'all in the next one.